Hi, my name is Mark and I'm a 5-minute AI channel. Today I'll show you how to build this Telegram bot where you'll be able to create images with Seedream and Imagen, edit images with Nanobanana, and also generate new videos with Sora too. So how it works. As you can see, I sent some Nike shoes as an example, and after that I asked to edit this image and add person that wears these shoes and place it on some mountain in Los Angeles. As you can see, we used Nanobanana to edit this image and we have this result. It's quite nice. And after that I asked to generate me Nike video ads for these shoes, and it's generated me this video using the first image. So let's check it. As you can see, it's very nice, repeated the form and all details of the original shoes, and it looks really great without any watermarks. It just generated with new Sora API. So before we get started, please subscribe on the channel and click the like for this video. It helps us to generate more interesting videos for you. Okay, let's begin. So this is our setup. It's quite large, but actually all these parts are just the same. We are using Replicate for different models. It contains all models that we need, like Imagen, Seedream, Sora, and other models too. So how it actually works, we have one agent that talks to our Telegram bot. It generates some responses and send to our Telegram bot. And also we have different tools linked to this AI agent in the same scenario. So each tool is about like creating images, editing images, create video, or like create video with image, for example. So let's check how it works in details. First of all, we started with the Telegram message, and this message usually will be image, because we want to generate not only from the text, it's quite simple to do, but we also want to generate some images or videos based on our reference. So to provide this reference to our AI agent and be able to generate something with this image, we need to create a link of this image. Because when we send in this file to Telegram, we don't have direct link to this image, and we need to upload this to some external service like imgbb.com, for example, to get this link. So we're receiving some message, we have some file, then we need to get this file, and also be checking if this message contains photo or not. If not, we just simply skip and send message directly to AI agent. If it contains some photo, we go this path, uploading our file, this one for example, and after that we need to extract base 64 string to be able to upload this image to IMGBB. So nothing special here. And then we use this post method, upload key, it's API key that you need to replace, expiration, and also we need to set up this data from the previous node. You can easily create new account and use for free this service, nothing special. To do that, you simply need to sign up for IMGBB, then go to your profile, and then here you will have go here to API, and here you will see your key that you need to copy and paste here. After this URL created, we unify the input that we're gonna send to AI agent. So here it will be text that will take data from message.text, and here it will have a link like file uploaded with URL, and we just map URL from this service. As a result, we send in this data as a text, and we also have some system message where we tell that we have some tools, that we need to operate URLs between tools and messages. So that's all. This is how uploading works. And after that, AI agent will use some tools to generate images, for example, or to edit images. For example, let's check. Here we uploaded some image. So, and in the next message we asking to edit it. So we have simple memory linked to the AI agent. This way it remember the URL of the image and can use it here. Okay, so we use edit image tools. So speaking about tools, how it works, you just need to add new tool, external workflow, where we specify first of all name of the tool, then description of the tool, then workflow. It's the same workflow that we are in right now. Then we have multiple parameters. So these parameters should be set up here in when executed node. Yeah, so we have here tool, prompt, aspect ratio, duration, model, image input, start image. For editing image, we need to specify multiple parameters. It's like prompt and image input, and then we will use it in the tool. So here we have these data like prompt and image input as defined by model. Yeah, so AI will understand the data that need to be provided here and it fill it automatically. And here we do the same. You can specify it with this variable. Variable is much more flexible because you can specify a name and you can specify some description that help the model to understand what kind of data will be here. Yeah, for example, for creating images, we have aspect ratio, and I want to choose model one of these options, and I can provide them in the description. Yeah, so from AI, you can see it's a key, description, type, default value. This is what you can set up here. Yeah, so after that, it triggers image model, edit image workflow, and as you can see, we had an error here, but in the next one, we again had an error. Okay, so here we have a successful run because sometimes replicate returns you some errors. I don't know why, it's on their side. So for that purposes, you need to specify just in case of error, try a couple times before answering, and this way AI agent will try to edit image twice or more times. Yeah, so again we triggered external workflow with the data. Yeah, as you can see, it's edit image, some prompt, and then URL that provided as an array, because we can specify multiple images for editing images. And then as a result, we triggered this workflow where we have some inputs. Yeah, so image input, prompt that generated by AI, and tool. So based on the tool, we use switch, yeah, where we understand that we have edit image value, so we need to go this way. After that, we set up these variables. Then we send to replicate post request for Nanobanana, as you can see, where you need to specify also credentials for each node of the replicate, and we map data from previous edit fields node. Yeah, after that we check if it has a status failed or not, because sometimes it can fail. And then if it's failed, we just return output error. If not, we just wait, check generation multiple times, and then send output link that will be used by AI agent to send back to us. Yeah, so if we go back to main execution, we will see that after edit image, AI agent triggered this. Yeah, we can check the logs. Yeah, so it's triggered edit image with these data, and after that it used send photo message in Telegram using this link. This way, because replicate and both replicate and image BB links has expiration date, sending to Telegram will save these files to you in the Telegram chat forever, so it's quite convenient because you don't need to save it in some external services like Google Drive. Yeah, and after that we need to generate video. So let me show you how we generate in video with images, because nothing different for generating images with text. Yeah, here again for the text, if you generate video with Sora, you just change the model, specify OpenAI Sora, specify different prompt, second aspect ratio, and also you need to specify your OpenAI key. I don't know why, but yeah, you need to specify in variables this OpenAI key to make it works. And after that, to generate video based on image, we need to unify the image, because Sora has two aspect ratio, it's portrait and landscape, and the image should be exactly the same size. If it will be different size, you will have error. It's strange, yeah, but this is how it works. So we need to resize image before we gonna send it to replicate. And how I do that, I simply download image. Yeah, so I specified all this data, OpenAI key. So we have this image, and the size of this image actually not like 9:16, but it's different. So we just edit this image, resize, and it looks like that. And it's very funny because this is how Sora will see your image, and it will insert this image to the video. So if you don't want to do that, before you need to edit this image with, I don't know, some small edit, maybe add some background or maybe add some legs as we did it. And when you generate it with the Nanobanana, you can specify aspect ratio, so it will be 9:16, so it will be a right portrait, and this way your image will be the right size without any, like, it will keep the right aspect ratio. Yeah, so after that we need to again extract data from file to have a base 64 string. Then we need to again upload to IMG, and then we send it everything to replicate together. And then again we will wait, and after 3 minutes, even 4 minutes, we will receive the results. Okay, this is how it works. We also have a create image paths, and also here I have 2 paths for generation video with Kling, based on image and with text. Everything will be provided in the template together, and you can find it in our 5-minute AI community. And also we have a big n8n and Lobo, so check out our community where you'll find all these and other guides together about AI agents and AI automation. Thank you for joining me today, and have a good day. Bye.